Once you have outlined your needs assessment process and determined your data collection methods, you can move into implementing data collection. In the previous example of youth marijuana use, you collected additional local data using focus groups, but there are other ways to gather primary data. It is a best practice to use both quantitative and qualitative methods when conducting a needs assessment. In a focus group, you engage members on a specific discussion or topic. Focus groups are qualitative in nature and strategically designed with the intent of encouraging members to speak openly. You use a discussion guide to obtain detailed information from participants. It is helpful to work with a trained facilitator and evaluator to effectively conduct the focus group and analyze the data. You can also use an external evaluator, outside of your organization, to help elicit full and honest responses from participants. Key informant interviews, also a qualitative method, can be thought of as a conversation with a purpose. If you need more information in your community about the perceptions of key informants, such as community experts, this is a great way to collect data. You work one-on-one with the key informant or expert to gather in-depth information on a particular topic. For example, if your organization is planning to start an initiative to prevent opioid misuse, it would be helpful to talk with others in the healthcare, law enforcement, treatment, and prevention fields to find out what efforts might already be underway or where they perceive the gaps to be. Talking to individuals affected by opioid misuse, such as people in recovery and their family members, is also an important way to gather a full understanding of the issue. During observation, you watch or participate in the activities of people or the places, environments, such as home, work, school, and play, and conditions of a group you're interested in. Observation is also qualitative in nature. Observation might be an appropriate form of data collection if you want to get a sense of advertising or product placement in your community. How many alcohol, marijuana, or tobacco retailers are in your neighborhood? What does the signage look like at these retailers? Where are tobacco and vape products placed in your local convenience stores? How often do young people visit the convenience store? A survey is typically a questionnaire that asks about a community's needs. You analyze the results and then use the data to guide further action on a problem. You collect mostly quantitative data on a survey, but you can include a few open-ended responses to collect qualitative data. You can also collect data on access to services, depending on the problem you are exploring. For example, if you are starting a new syringe exchange program, you will want to collect data on who, demographics such as race, age, gender, education level, etc., is accessing the program, where, when, and how often. This method is mostly quantitative in nature.